Friday, March 14th. Yesterday was good. Went to camp last night. Did about 14.5 miles, 14 miles, somewhere in there. No wind. The bottom of the canyon is really cool. Literally. It's 30 degrees this morning, and the inside of my tent was completely frozen, frosted up, but it's all good. We have about 10 miles to water today, so there was a water cache where somebody brings in pallets of water, and so we hiked down to the bottom of the canyon in a tenth of a mile or so. Refilled our water enough to get us to the next 10 miles, so you can kind of see what I'm seeing. The near mountain is the trail I just came up this morning. We left about 9:15. So we're hiking out of that flat area out there and headed into the mountains this way. So today, like I said, 10 miles to water. From there we'll see what we're gonna do. See if we do 10, 12, 14 miles today, and then tomorrow should be a half day into Warner Springs. Post office closes at 1, so we want to be there before that. Pick up our resupply, which is our food and everything else. So should be good. Yesterday was tough, but seemed like generically all uphill. But every day just getting a little stronger. Can tell that these uphills don't wind me as much, and then you hit a few that knock the crap out of you, but it's all good. Pack's getting a little lighter. Don't have much food, only carrying 1.5 liters of water, so 3 pounds maybe, as opposed to 5 liters. And it's probably 45 degrees, real light wind, which is perfect. So I think I need to start getting out of camp a little earlier. Maybe start hiking at 8. Me and the down under from Australia been talking about it, so everybody else seems to putz around till 9, and I do too when they're doing it. So, but it makes for a little hotter, longer day at the end of the day. So start hiking when it's cool, and see how that goes for a little bit. So might take a 0 at Warner Springs. Be my first 0. That was my original schedule, and then we'll go from there. So onward ho. Don't really want to slip and fall here. Not sure I'd ever make it back up to the trail. Probably definitely make it to the bottom though. Just crested over the hillside. I don't know where that is, but some kind of community. The terrain has changed a little bit from a little more shrubs and stuff. The trail's a little less rocky. Kind of funny how a quarter mile can change everything. So it looks like we're going to get a bunch of wind, which isn't bad, actually keeps you cool. So once you stop, then you instantly get cold. You have to put on a light jacket or something. So we just stopped and had a break about a half hour ago. So 6.3 miles to water. So still got my 1.5 liters. Finished up my water bag and my pack. So yeah, I don't know how these guys are going to do this part with 100+ degree weather. So thoroughly enjoying this cool weather. Take advantage of it when we can. Just hiking down the other side of the mountain. You can see the trail along there that we're going around, around. And then we will go down through there somewhere and hit the highway. So, and I think the water is just before the highway, so we shall see. Keep moving.
Did this and this. Alright.
Mile 100.
Woohoo!
We're almost there.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
On the horns.
This is the difference between nowadays and 25 years ago. Everybody would have had paper maps trying to figure out where they were.
Oh, heck yeah.
Getting closer to water. Drop down in elevation. All of a sudden we have trees. It's kind of nice. Haven't seen trees in probably 2 days. Maybe 2.5. Can tell you're getting closer to civilization. The trail's nice and wide and maintained and no rocks and smooth. It's easy on the feet there. I didn't even drink that much water today. Maybe less than a liter. 10 miles. All the brush is cleared back. Wow. Here's the official sign. These are on the trail a lot, so you know where you're at. So, seen about 5, 6, 7, 8 people today. 3 hiked past us, through hikers, and then a couple of day hikes or section hiking going south. So looks like a log jam. I don't know what's going on. Is this a cougar? Hi Eve. How are you? I know, I probably smell like candy and sugar and everything, huh? How's it going? Big trees. We haven't seen trees in what, 2.5 days? Ah, here's the water. Nice.
Get much better than this, huh?
No. Clear but not clean.
I just filter it out.
So it has to be filtered. That's fine now. At least we have water.
I'll filter it out of that. I'll fill that up and put my filter intake into that. Oh, where's the knife? You staying there, Joe?
Yeah.
I don't know yet. I don't know. The longer I sit here, the easier it's going to be to stay.
Yeah. Well, I'll take